Now what is Blueberry doing? Are you going to take a bath in the little bowl there? Ah, so you're one of those birds that like to stuff yourself in the vegetable bowl. You're taking a bath inside the spinach. Okay. Okay, let's try here. Let's try here. Let's try over here. Blueberry, you trying to take a bath inside the spinach? Okay. You like to do that, huh? So Mommy knows. We're going to lay out some spinach in a big bowl then. After you take a bath in the spinach, I gotta wash it up. So I don't think anyone wants to eat from that then. Kind of an expensive bath. You buy you some organic spinach and you take a bath in it instead. Oh well, I guess the best for Blueberry, huh? You're making a mess, but you're having fun. Should I put water in there instead, Blueberry? You're taking all the... It looks like you're taking all the leaves out. I think you want the water instead. Okay, Mommy got you. Mommy's gonna get you a bowl of water instead. Okay?